Alright, the heads are cleaned up, ready to go out to the machine shop. I've had them sitting in the pressure washer all day. Kind of gave them a couple shots of degreaser too and wiped them down. I'm not sure if they'll hot bath it or not, but hot tank it, but wanted to get them ready to, so they won't get all grease all over the car anyway when my wife takes them. I did put one intake valve in of the BTR. I looked at the seats on it. I did a quick lap on them. They looked real good. Then when I went to the exhaust one, I could tell it was really pitted real bad. I went ahead and tried, but I could tell it wasn't going to clean up good enough to suit me. So I went ahead and called Tucker, and they're going to, or text them, and they're going to go ahead and do a valve job on it. So hopefully get it back. Maybe next weekend I can get them put in.